Will AI replace sales job? Whether sales jobs or salesperson job will be relevant 5 years down the line? These are the questions in front of us. And there is a lot of curiosity around this. Certainly, AI has disrupted the way business is done and will be done in future. However, the basic function of business is sales. Without sales, there is no business. And sales requires human to human interactions. As long as there will be human to human interactions to decide business deals, selling is going to be there, and salesperson is going to be more important. He will be more and less business owner than a salesperson. The basic change that will happen is selling will shift from assumption, perception to data driven. And the salesperson has to understand this technology to get proper insights based on the data to give customer strong reason to do business with him. AI will be a strong differentiator, and that how to make use of AI and CRM for effective working and creating that confidence in customers' mind and building those long-term relationships is the skill to be acquired by the salespeople. So the future salespeople will be required to do relationship building as well as closing the deals driven by support of technology, CRM, and artificial intelligence.